Hello, I'm Freddie from AF Computers, and today I'm going to be showing you how to switch out a bad power supply in your computer. Here we have the basic power Command Tech, 350 watt. We're going to put this in to our HP Pavilion. First thing you want to do when you're working on one is make sure you disconnect all power supplies, connections to your computer, mouse, all that stuff. And then turn it over and take the side panel off. Get inside. Inside, see all the circuit boards, the motherboard, everything makes your computer run. Here will be your power supply, and you're going to have to go through one at a time and disconnect all the wires running from it. Now before we do that, we're going to disconnect all the screws. Now on this one there's 4 screws holding it in place. The only thing you're going to need to do all this is your basic Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, let's start by laying the computer on its side, because you don't want the power supply falling out and damaging your motherboard. So that would be very bad. So we're just going to go through and screw each one of these. Take each one out. Alright, screws are out, and the power supply can now move. And what we're going to do is, we're going to go through and disconnect each one of these. From your hard drive, your DVD drive, and from your motherboard. Motherboard ones, they have little clips on them you want to push in, and you just pull them straight up and out. It's very easy to do. And once you got them all out of there, just move that cord a little bit, up and out, and your bad power supply is right out of your computer. Very easy to do. Alright, we're now ready to put in our replacement power supply. Let's take it, drop it right down in here, and we're going to slide it back. And what we got to do is just replace the screws, which will be in the same spots as before. Now we got our power supply screwed back in. We're going to get started on the connectors. First, there's the 20-pin main connector, and then we got the 4-pin auxiliary. Let's start out with the 20-pin. It goes right in to here. And there's really only one way you can put these in. So if you mess up, just take it out and put it right back in. It's kind of hard to damage or anything, so it'll only fit the one way. And we got this one over here. And then we just need to get power going back to the DVD drive here. And to your hard drive. There we go. kind of put all the wires back together. I have an extra bay that's not being used. Just stuff them right in there. And that is basically it. That's all you have to do to replace your power supply in the computer. So we will put the side back on. And we're finished. Let's power it up and see how it works. Alright, we got everything fixed on the computer. Let's fire it up and see if it works. It's lighting up. It lives. We got a working computer again. An HP Pavilion is working once more. We're running Windows XP. So that's all from AF Computers. Remember, computers suck. See you next time.